Hi, buddy. Welcome once again. Now, we want to take a look at some of the 10 best stockbrokers here in Kenya. As we take a look at these stockbrokers, we are going to maybe define what they are or what is the work of the stockbrokers. What should you maybe look for if you want to identify a genuine stockbroker? And we are also going to look at these 10 brokers or stockbrokers at length and determine maybe why we have considered them to be the best stockbrokers. I'm aware that we have more than 10 stockbrokers, but from my analysis, allow me just to use them as the best stockbrokers. Now, who is a stockbroker anyway? Right? So a stockbroker is an individual or licensed company that manages a client's investment, which happen to be stock in our case, serving as the middleman between the client or trader and the stock exchange. So this means actually that is a broker. Yeah, a broker is a person who actually sits between two people. So they convince this party to use this other thing and so on, right? So they actually they're helpful actually, right? Because if you go individually, you might not maybe do the right thing. So they give you information that is required of you. So they help clients buy and sell stocks through the Nairobi Security Exchange. They also advise clients on the best ways to maximize, right? They also offer suggestions on the best investment opportunities and analyze financial market reports. So if you have been hearing about stockbrokers, then now you know. Now, the other important thing that we need to really understand is how to identify the best stockbrokers, right? Because we have, anyone can be a broker anyway, right? But what enables you to isolate, right, the genuine stockbrokers from the fake ones? Number one is licensing and regulation. So if a person or company claims to be a stockbroker in Kenya, they should be licensed by the Capital Markets Authority, right? Because that is the regulatory body. Additionally, they should be approved to the trade at the Nairobi Stock Exchange. Now, if you visit the Capital Markets Authority website, they list those approved brokers, and of course NSA also gives you that particular list. The other one is business reputation. So some of the brokers will entice you with some good initial offers only to exploit you. Then they disappear, right? So you can learn about their reputation from client feedback and online reviews. So always, maybe from these particular brokers that you're going to mention, you can also do your due diligence and find out what is their reputation. Now, customers or clients who have done business with them will always give the correct review. If there was a mess, they'll always give a negative review, right? If they did a good job, they'll give a positive review. The other one is educational resources. A good stockbroker informs or actually educates its traders. They inform you through newsletters, they convene webinars and other information sharing platforms. They also give you a chance to ask questions and they offer valid answers. Now, if you want to know that a broker is not genuine, first of all, they don't like answering legit questions, right? So they rarely do that. So if you see that, know that is a symptom of a fake broker, right? So with that information, therefore, we can now look at the 10 best stockbrokers here in Kenya. Number one, Dyer and Blair, right? So they're founded long time ago in 1954, right? And they have been categorized as the founding members of the Nairobi Securities Exchange. So it's also among the founding members of the Rwanda Stock Exchange and Uganda Security Exchange, right? They also offer other services like the over-the-counter bonds and the stocks, CDC services. So in our list, this one is the first the first best broker, stock broker that we can recommend. We also have the second one, ABC Capital. So it has also been in operation for 40 years. So you can look at the length of time under the oversight of the Central Bank of Kenya, right? So it has different branches. Of course, it also offers different services such as forward forex contracts, bureau exchange, spot forex, right, and forex swap. They also offer money transfers, investment, and so on, right? In addition, they also do some trading on behalf of clients or traders. All right. Number 3, Suntra Investment Bank was founded in early 1990 and was licensed by the NSE, right? So it has established itself as one of the country's most reputable online trading platforms, right? So you can check with them, Suntra Investment Bank. Number 4, we have NCBA Investment Bank, right, which is the subdivision of the NCBA group. The financial institution is CMA licensed and NSE approved for facilitate stocks and share trading in Kenya. So they buy and sell equities and stocks on behalf of traders within the Nairobi Security Exchange platform and offers them the added financial guidance. So you can check with NCBA. Old Mutual Securities, one of the renowned, and of course it's also a product of UAP Old Mutual Group, you can see. So they have been here for a while. They also operate other regional financial markets in Uganda, Rwanda, South Sudan, and Tanzania, right? So you can see how good they are. You can actually depend on them. Another one is Standard Investment Bank, right? SIB. So SIB was founded by James Wangunya in 1985. The private corporation has been one of the country's swiftest growing stock brokerage, right? With an asset of over 230 million plus under its management, right? So it normally targets high value clients, including high net worth individuals, fund managers, right? And of course, and its staff. Then we have KCB Capital. There's another stock broker. Is a product of KCB Group. The stock brokerage firm was established in 2013 to capitalize on KCB Bank's extensive ties and dominance in East Africa. So it was given a license, right, to act as a stock broker on the NSE platform. So KCB Capital is also a recommended stock broker. We have EFG Hermes Kenya, which is part of larger group EFG Hermes International. It's one of the newest entrants in the Kenya stock brokerage sector and one of the most established globally. So you can find it Nigeria, Kuwait, US, UK, UAE, Singapore, and the rest. We also have SBG Securities. Is a Standard Bank Group subsidiary focusing on securities trading. The stockbroker releases more than 2 decades of professional experience in the local financial sector. So they offer brokerage services to individuals and corporate entities and serves as a central depository agent in the country. Lastly, we have Sterling Capital. This is a leading broker for fixed income and equities trading on the NSE platform. The brokerage firm was founded in 1981 as a financial advisory company and obtained the CMA licensing in 1994, which was also the year it joined the NSE. So this, though its capital is in Nairobi, it also has branches in Cote d'Ivoire, Tanzania, Uganda, Ghana, Rwanda, right? It has also partnered with Pan-African Investment. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is just an eye-opener, because you might be wondering which are some of the best stockbrokers, right, that you have in the country. I also have additional of 5 of them, which I'm still scrutinizing. Once I get then enough information about them, I think I'll do another video of 15 best stockbrokers, so that at least you get informed. So should you find this information useful, share it within the comment section. Otherwise, don't fail to subscribe. Alright, thanks.